Hey guys, what's up? It's a freezing Monday morning and I really wish I had a macro lens to show you some cool things. Firstly, I got some crystal red shrimp, which look awesome. I love these guys. And this is the spawning tank, if you don't know. It's on my desk. It's only 12 liters. And if maybe you can see little floating things in there, which are actually Amano shrimp zoes. And then on the right here is phytoplankton, which actually they're going to feed off of. I'm going to show you the other tank, which is the growing tank. I'm going to put them in. So here's the breeding setup. It's 24 liters of salt water at 34 ppm. And to feed the zoes, I'm going to give them phytoplankton, which is pretty much the base of the food chain. Since it's plankton, it will actually grow by itself in the tank, and it won't pollute as much water in terms of nitrates, nitrites, and all that. So it's the best solution to feed these tiny little zoes. So phytoplankton are too small to normally be seen individually, but since they have chlorophyll, it makes the water look green. So they just reproduce with the right amount of light. And they're small enough so that the zoes can eat them. And since it's alive, it won't pollute my water. It takes a few days for the females to spawn all the zoes, and since it takes some time and effort and water to get to siphon up all the little zoes individually, I'm going to start by putting about half a liter of phytoplankton into the tank. It'll start the culture growing in there. So by the time I have them ready to go in here, the tank will be ready as well. I want to show you a bit my little setup I have here. 1 liter bottles each. I started with 100 mils that I bought off eBay from someone in the UK. And I only have one air pump. So half of it goes into the tank for the sponge filter. And then I split it off in two for these 2 bottles. The thing is, since it's not that powerful, the tubes have to be under exact same pressure to let out bubbles in each bottle, and that keeps the phytoplankton from settling at the bottom, which would smother it and they'll die off. So it grows quite fast. I get every week I can separate into thirds basically and stir a new culture every time. The tank itself is going to go quite deep green within I guess 2-3 weeks. And that would give continuous food for the zoes. So another thing going on in the spawning tank is that I'm breeding ramhorn snails. In the wild, they normally have like black skin because of what they eat in the dirt, but we can get this gene where it's actually a lack of skin pigment, melanin, which actually lets us see their blood, which is red since they have hemoglobin, which normally other snails has like this greenish blood. When they grow up, their shells take on a new color. Normally, they have a dark, opaque color, either brown or blue. I've seen other types on the internet like pie, like black and white, stuff like that. So I've selectively bred mine to be blue, and the newer ones in the 350 liter are transparent. The black spots you see are actually on their skin underneath the shell. And when they die, you can actually see that the shells are transparent at first, and once they dry out, they become sort of whitish. So now I think I'll just let you check out a few clips of the crystal red shrimp, since I really suck at narrating. And well, see you guys around. Thanks for watching.